Have you ever thought about moving to Manhattan Beach, California? Well, whether you're relocating across the country or just daydreaming about a beachy SoCal life, let me, a local real estate agent, show you what this sunny, surf-loving corner of LA is really like. Spoiler alert, it's beautiful.
No, it's definitely not for everyone.
Manhattan Beach is one of the three beach cities in the South Bay, Los Angeles, along with Hermosa Beach for the south and Redondo Beach for the south. It's under 4 square miles, but don't let that fool you, because this town packs a lot. About 35,000 residents. We're laid back. We enjoy it. Let all those West Siders keep all of their uptightness up there. You know who you are.
Get back on San Vicente, take it to the 10, then switch over to the 405 North and let it dump you out into Mulholland where you belong.
Active lifestyles, top-ranked schools, 15 minutes to LAX, to El Segundo's tech and aerospace scene. And the beach, it's massive. It's one of the widest sand stretches in SoCal, hence the name Manhattan Beach. Why do people move here? Well, weather, lifestyle, the beach. That's the holy trinity right there. The beach is your backyard. Surf in the morning, you bike on the Strand with your latte from Good Boy Bob. That's a must. Play beach volleyball in the afternoon. They're playing beach paddle right next to me over here. It's outdoor living at its best. And yes, you'll probably bump into a few famous neighbors here and there.
We saw you on TV.
Manhattan Beach is very family friendly with a capital M. I don't know. It has its own school district, sits on the western edge of LA County, and
The big blue wet thing?
The big blue wet thing! Yeah!
we've got Little League, tennis, volleyball, downtown trick-or-treating, and a tight-knit feel that's honestly more small town than big LA because, well, it's a small town. And the food scene, legit, man. Michelin-rated restaurants, rooftop lounges, old school burger joints, and dive bars like Berkeley's. And it's very walkable. All right, let's talk about housing and affordability. Gotta be real. It's pricey. The median home prices hover around $3 million. Yes, even for some teardowns, but not on the front row. Way more.
Manhattan real estate is very pricey.
I bid $100,000.
I bid $200,000.
Real estate's expensive, but you're not just buying a house, you're buying this lifestyle. You've got neighborhoods like the Sand section where I'm at right now. You've got the Shady Tree section. You've got Ocean View Estates in the Hill section further up. And the East Side's Manhattan Heights. There's some views there too of downtown LA, of course. There's always somewhere that's going to fit your groove or, your thing or, your whatever, blah, blah, blah.
What is it you want? Real estate.
280 plus days of sunshine. I mean, outside is the default, right? Surfing is a daily ritual, especially up in El Porto where the waves are usually better, where you can
Get pitted, so pitted.
And this is the capital of beach volleyball, the AVP Manhattan Beach Open. Think Wimbledon on the sand every August. That was just right there last week. The Sakely Six-Man in July. Organized chaos. Costumes, beer, glory. You want to play with the pros? Just show up. Courts are first come, first served. Get it?
First served.
Hilarious.
Right, we got it.
Yeah.
Add to that summer concerts in Pollywod Park, the Manhattan Beach Hometown Fair, and the Manhattan Beach 10K in October, pumpkin races in late October, the holiday fireworks show in December right off the pier, surf contests, paddles, fitness races. I mean, even the charity events feel like party. Totally amazing. Okay, let's be like my dad. Coastal life, it's perfect Mediterranean climate. Look at us. Highs in the 70s like today, ocean breezes like today, summer lingers well into October. But rewind. When I said earlier, 280 plus days of sunshine, you'll get some May gray, some June gloom, even in April sometimes. So if you need blazing sun by 7 a.m., you got to go to LA because it's hot there.
Right now, this guy is so hot.
But rain? Not a mucho. Marine layer? How do you dress? We love our layers.
Ogres have layers. Onions have layers. You get it. We both have layers.
Schools and education, you're asking. The Manhattan Beach Unified School District is consistently among California's top schools. Miracosta High School sends grads to Ivy Leagues and D1 teams and everywhere else. Have you ever been to niche.com? Well, they rate Manhattan Beach like this. A+ overall, A+ for schools, weather, activities, C in cost of living, that's fair, and a C- in housing, also fair. It's tight here. and we're out of land, go look up your favorite city and see how it compares. Transportation. There is no freeway through Manhattan Beach, and that's a feature and a benefit. LAX, 15 minutes that way. Downtown LA, 30 minutes to 400 minutes, depending on the traffic gods. No joke. If you're trying to park near the beach on a sunny weekend, like now, pack patience because you're gonna have to walk. You're gonna park way up there and you're gonna walk.
Hey, where do I park?
Manhattan Beach just isn't a zip code, 90266. It's a lifestyle. It's fun, it's clean, it's beautiful, and yes, it's expensive. You'll see dogs in sunglasses and teenagers with brand deals and everything in between.
But kind of a big deal.
But if you're craving beach culture, great schools, small town energy, and world-class food, amazing weather, totally amazing, you just might love it here. And if you like this video, you should probably watch this one next. And when you have some questions, let's grab a coffee at Two Guns or at Good Boy Bob, depending where we're at, and talk about Manhattan Beach, one of my favorite subjects.